I want us to do a very quick analysis, that is focus analysis. And I'm going to try to analyze gold because right now I think she's cruising nicely basically. And I was looking for amazing swing position. But before we start, guys, I hope you guys remember this trade that I was talking about, the previous video that I uploaded. I think we were still floating around this level right here. That is where our profit was basically. So yeah, the market hit our take profit yesterday, and you see we backed in over 1,000 points. So real quick, I'll just show you once again before the trade so that you guys can confirm that we did take the trade right here. So okay, just a minute, let me just show you. This was a free signal that I gave out to my public gang, and this is it. I said I'm in and expect pullbacks, and in case of stop loss, then it will be a good thing right here. I hope you guys can see. If I try to zoom right here, I hope you guys can see that. So that was on 30 June, and yesterday when the market hit take profit, that was on 2nd, so we held our position probably for maybe three days, right? So of course I kept showing my gang and updating my gang, take profit 1 hit, take profit 3, something like that, maybe just show you. This was TP was hit to take profit 4 was hit successfully, and of course I was still holding my position right there. And this is when we were almost hitting take profit. I said 12 more pips to go, before we land, and boom, that is when take profit was hit. We just landed, and time to taxi all the way to the bank. Big congratulations to everyone who held their position from Monday till now, because that's what patience and trust in your setup looks like, right? Now if you missed it, don't stress, more opportunities are on the way, and I'll keep dropping the signals. Until then, stay sharp and keep your heads up. The market always rewards the prepared. That is what I told you, my gang. And of course, this is my position right there. That is where the market hit a full take profit. I think I on previous video I did explain why I did take this entry. So I want to go and analyze gold trade, that is do focus analysis. Once again, guys, if you're watching this video, be keen, because this is like me analyzing a signal for you guys, right? And maybe if price reacts according to our anticipation, you can take that trade. And at the same time, I'll be giving out the signal to my gang, to my community, Telegram community, so you guys can maybe join that Telegram community right here. So this is what I see basically on gold, based on a daily time frame. So I'll start my analysis, and I'm going to take you step by step so you guys can see what I'm seeing, what I'm trying to see, right? So like I say, guys, this is how I start my analysis. I zoom all the way out, right, and zoom in slowly by slowly, trying to figure out what price is doing. Basically all I see is gold is still in an option, right? So I'm not going to take a sell position. That is what I can say. All I need to look for is strictly buys. If I see gold dropping, then that might be a pullback, right? So all right, I'll flip my screen, look for possible market structures. Okay, probably we can have this. If we bring in our trend line, probably we can have this, something like that. Okay, let's just adjust that right there, zoom in a little bit. Basically this is how I do my analysis, guys. There's no secret sauce. This is how I do my analysis, basically something like that. So I can have it right there. Now all I can say is gold is creating a good, amazing trend right there. Now what next? I need to understand what price is doing. Mark out some levels. Let's see. We had this. Yeah, she did respect that. So I can maybe decide to draw that right there. Remember, my screen is flipped, guys. This is how it is basically, right? So this is what I have. And of course I can see another one right here, right there. looking so amazing, right? So I'll go back to the H4 real quick and now adjust my drawings. We can have that right there, and of course this right here. Correct. I think now she's looking nice. Can have that right there. Right there. Correct. Now, so right now all is left for me is to concentrate on the current market price, right? I want to see what she is doing. Is she ready for me to take a buy? No. What am I waiting for? I need to see, gold coming back to take those who missed their entry so that we can enjoy the wave, right? The market's like a wave, goes up, down, something like this, right? So for those who missed, let's say the market was doing this, goes up. Now for those who missed this entry right here, price will always come back for them, give them another entry opportunity, so that they can also join the wave or join the ride. So that is what I'm waiting to see gold doing, right? Now at the same time, we can mark this level also as an area of interest right there. Now there is a quarter model, you understand, this quarter model pattern that probably gold might form, right? What do I mean quarter model? Right here, probably let's just have this right here. Now if gold behave in this anticipation, this is going to be a quarter model pattern right here, something like this. I hope you guys can see that. Once gold behave in this manner, then I'm going to look for my entry position, right? So that is the reason why I'm waiting to see gold pull back to come and give us a chance, entry chance, and I'm going to take my gold position, you understand? So there's also this level right here that we should cater for, look for gold reaction. I know we have so many I don't think so many. I think we have buys right here. That is, I think you guys call it liquidity. So probably I might see gold coming back, taking all